little twitch and smirk. Aww. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make you wear your Smirowski farm t-shirt, and I'm going to put the two of you together, and you can have a snore fest. Oh. Oh, he looks worried.